Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something super exciting for you. If you've ever wanted to swap faces in images or videos, you can do it easily and effortlessly with just a few clicks. Whether it's for fun, creative content, or just to make hilarious moments, face swapping has never been this simple. Today, we're going to explore an amazing tool called Vidmage.ai, one of the best face swapping tools out there. The link to Vidmage is available in the video description, so you can check it out and create your own account. Once you log in, you'll see a clean and user-friendly dashboard like this. Here on the dashboard, you have multiple options: photo face swap, swap faces in images, video face swap, swap faces in videos, multi-face swap, replace multiple faces in a single image, multi-face swap video, replace multiple faces in videos. Let's start with the photo face swap feature. First, I need to upload an image. You can either upload your own image from your computer, or you can use one of the example images available on Vidmage. For example, I'll select an example image first. Then, I'll upload the face photo that I want to swap into this image. After that, I simply hit the face swap button, and the tool starts processing. It usually takes around 20 seconds, so just be patient. And here you can see the result. The face is perfectly swapped. Amazing, right? Now I'll try another example. I'll upload a different face photo, hit the swap button again, and you can see how quickly Vidmage generates the new image with the face replaced. Next, I'll try a different example with another person. I select another image, upload the target face photo, and click Swap. Just like before, in a few seconds, the new image is ready. And you can see the face has been swapped seamlessly. So as you can see, swapping faces in images is super easy using Vidmage.ai. Now let's move on to the video face swap feature. Here you can swap faces in any video, whether it's a short clip, a funny moment, or a full-length video. All you need to do is upload your video and then upload the target face photo you want to replace. Hit the Generate button and let Vidmage do its magic. In just a short while, your video is ready with the new face. The results are incredible, and the best part is you can download your final video in HD quality. This makes Vidmage perfect for creators, influencers, or anyone who wants to make fun and professional-looking content quickly. Now let's explore Vidmage's multi-face swap feature. This is perfect when you want to swap multiple faces in a single image. You can upload 2, 3, or even more faces at once. For example, I'll upload these 3 images with different faces. Next, I need to select the faces I want to swap. I'll pick all the images and then hit the Swap button. The tool will start processing, and in just a few seconds, our images are swapped perfectly. Here you can see the new image is ready, and it's super easy to download. Next up, we have the multi-face swap video feature. This works similarly, but with videos. All you need to do is upload your video and then select the faces you want to swap. Hit the Swap button, and the processing begins. In a short while, your video is ready, with all the selected faces swapped seamlessly. With Vidmage.ai, creating images and videos with multiple face swaps is fast, easy, and fun. The possibilities are endless for creative projects, funny content, or professional editing. The link to Vidmage.ai is available in the video description, so you can try it yourself. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.